In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox 360 not connecting to Xbox Live. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, your Xbox 360 console not being able to connect to the live services could indicate a problem within your network. What I would recommend before you actually try to troubleshoot your network is to check if the live servers are down. You can visit various communities on websites such as Facebook, Twitter, or Reddit, or even the Microsoft website itself. You will be able to check the status of the Xbox Live servers. You have to consider that because they are quite old, they could simply be down. And if that's the case, you have to wait until Microsoft fixes the issue on their end. Now, if you know for sure that the servers are up, maybe you have a friend who is connected, or after doing some research, you notice that no one is complaining about the servers, then I would suggest moving forward and trying to troubleshoot your connection. The first suggestion I would give, if possible, is to change your network. So if you go into the system settings, you will be able to go into the available networks. In there, it is going to scan for wireless networks, and if it finds one, you can go ahead and connect. Try connecting to the network that is available for you, and if that one is not able to connect to the live servers, then switch to an alternative wireless connection, or even better, try using a wired network if it is available. If you are unable to switch networks, then what you can do is go into the advanced settings. After you select the current network that you are connected to, go over to the configure page and then additional settings. Select the advanced or basic settings and you will be able to clear the network. This is going to remove the network from your Xbox and you can try connecting again. Doing this process will allow you to clear up any cache or anything that was saved regarding the network, and you can do a fresh connection. You will then be able to test your connection again and see if you are able to connect from your Xbox 360 to the internet and finally to Xbox Live. Besides this, there is not much you can do. It is usually a problem attributed to your network unless the Xbox servers are down. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox 360 not connecting to Xbox Live. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.